Welcome to another episode of Personal Injury Talk SA. With me as always, Mr. Marco Molaloga with the relevant questions.
Thank you, Mr. Nell, and thank you for welcoming me again. Would you care to explain to me what is the difference between merits and quantum?
Merits pertains to the mechanism of the accident. In other words, how did the accident happen? The test is whether or not the person claiming from the fund was at fault himself or herself. So the Road Accident Fund considers whether there should be an apportionment against the person that's claiming from them. Quantum is basically the value of the claim, and that pertains to the personal injury that the client suffered in the accident and the consequences thereof.
Well, okay. You mentioned the word apportionment. What does it mean?
An apportionment means that the person claiming from the fund might be liable for his own damages. In other words, the Road Accident Fund reduces the value of a claim by way of an apportionment or a percentage value. They can reduce the claim by 20 or 50% depending on the circumstances. For instance, a robot controlled intersection where the plaintiff says that the robot was green for him, and the insured driver maintains that the robot was green for him as well. So the Road Accident Fund usually takes the middle route and they apportion 50% against the plaintiff, and that would mean that the plaintiff gets 50% of his proven damages.
Well, okay, it makes sense to me now. Thank you, Mr. Nell. I appreciate your time.
It's a pleasure as always.
Award-winning law firm Gerdnal Incorporated has made a name for itself as one of the leaders in personal injury claims, and specifically claims against the Road Accident Fund and medical negligence cases. Gerdnal Incorporated, the personal injury lawyers.